G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back in Vegas for car wash renovation day number 3, but video number 2. So we're going to drill out the old coin boxes and we're going to put in the brand new coin boxes. I've done a few of these videos before at my own car washes, but I thought we're doing it again at this car wash. So why not film it, show you guys old boxes going out, new boxes going in. The old ones look like. Beautiful, aren't they? Just beautiful. So these are going. We're going to knock it all out around here, the same size as the new ones, and the new ones are going in. Bye bye. Oh, yeah. There we go. It's the old one going out. All trash. Bye bye. Ben, you must be excited. New boxes going in.
This is a big day.
Yeah.
We've been waiting months for this day, so.
Those old ones were giving you a bit of a hard time, huh?
On a weekly basis.
And that's the difference between trying to run old stuff that doesn't work. Every week you're gonna have to fix it, repair it. That's why I like to put new stuff in, because you have less problems and it just lasts a lot longer. So we finally got it out. You can see how old and rusted it is. Disgusting. Oh my God, how long has that been there? And then we're gonna put the new one in right here. We're gonna weld it to these rebarbs. Got the wires coming down, so we're gonna attach them, use them, so they're good. And there you have it. Progress is being made. And here's the brand new boxes, same as my other ones. MONEXgroup Credit Cards already installed on the boxes from CleanRight. That's it. So there we have it, box is in, it's welded to the rebarb for extra super security. We've got the wires poking through, we're gonna connect these to here, and this should be pretty much almost good to go once we're done inside with the pre-soak and the tie clean and all that other jazz. So now it's time to put the concrete around, fill it in, and get this bee working. The things you see in Vegas, huh? The things you see in Vegas. Speaking of, it's getting darker. We've worked many hours already. Pretty much one bay down. I mean, it's kind of a slow progress. Drilling out these walls, knocking the concrete out, and getting the pre-soak lines ready, getting the tie cleaner ready. That's not an easy task. It takes time, and we've really only done one bay today. So let me show you what we've done. Not that exciting, but that's right, can't bypass these steps. So the coin box is still looking like that. We just need to put the concrete around it. That's the old gun holder, so we've got the new one on. Oh, and this is the spot-free rinse tank, which is gonna hold the spot-free water, and that's gonna go up on the roof as per usual, because there's hardly any room inside the motor room for that. So up on the roof it's gonna go. Currently started drilling out bay 2. So let's see the progress on bay 2. Alright, so the moment of truth, Ben is throwing away the old coin boxes. You can see how damaged they are, completely rusted out. Is it a sad moment? Nah.
No, this is like my trophy right here.
Oh, you're gonna take it home and put it on the mantelpiece?
That's true, my wife will love that.
There we go. Well, the trash bin's over here.
All right.
I think they're gonna get tossed and on to the next era. It's working? Oh, there it is. Tire cleaner. We still got to touch the coil hose. We still got to put the gun in the wand. There you go, take a shower. Degrease that hair. Oh, you got it on the hat. Look at that. All right, well that works. Now it's time to test the pre-soak. Oh yeah, that's money. That's money coming out. Good money. Here we go, turning up the pre-soak. We've got the liquid, let's put that on about 70. I don't hear the flow jet. There we go, let's put that on 70. Let's put that on 30 for now. Go out in the bay and see if it's coming out. I hear it. Oh, there it is, it's snowing. Santa has come early, look at that. Very nice. Right? Very cool. So we just attach the coil hose there. It's going to sit right here. And there you have it. Very nice. Nicely cemented up. Just needs to paint. And there you have it. And that's going to do it for today at the car wash. It's a 13-hour day, exhausted, ready for bed. It's 11 o'clock at nighttime. We're going to be back bright and early at 6 a.m. in the morning. So that's good night from me, good night from the car wash, and see you bright and early at 6 a.m. to continue putting in the box. 6 a.m. in the morning, freezing cold, Las Vegas, back at the car wash. Not much to say right now, just get back to work. So check it out. It's time to get it out. It's welded to this, so we've got to grind it and cut it. But just to show you exactly how old these things are, disgusting they are. Check out all the rust that was living inside the coin department. Look at all that nice rust, eh? Hope I'm up to date with my tetanus shot, I think. So when we first started working on this car wash, there really wasn't much work in. It was just the basics, soap brush, which was barely coming out, high pressure water. It had the wax and the soap option, but the soap option didn't work and the wax didn't really work. It worked in maybe a couple of bays, but rarely. And pulling apart the hoses and, you know, coming to find out that things don't work for a reason, because all these lines just get clogged over the years, all the wax build up, all the soap build up, all the debris and all the crap that just gets built up in the lines, and it stops coming out. So if something's not coming out at your car wash, you've checked everything else, clogged lines, especially if they're years and years old, you know, check out those lines. Because you can see not how dirty my hands are, but how dirty the hose is. Trash.